welcome you all on this Moksh live webinar on the next examination and how there is a correlation with USMLE and the process and the path ahead for Indian medical students. So those students who are from 2017 batch onwards, okay, this is one very important question which you need to ask yourself. Things which were applicable for your seniors is not applicable to you. So the rules which your seniors had followed no longer are valid for you. In fact, you will be the pioneer batch. All students after 2017 will be the pioneer batch to form new rules. So the way your seniors were dealing with things, this has to change. This has to completely change. So one question which all of you who are in 2017 batch onwards need to ask yourself, okay, this is a very important thing. The Medical Council of India has been replaced by the National Medical Commission, and the changes are going to be very significant and very soon. So you need to ask yourself, do you really want to practice? Okay, do you want to become a licensed physician? Yes or no? This is one big and very important question which arises for all of you students. Okay, so make sure you guys are going to be serious about this. Okay, because unlike your seniors, you will have to take this initiative. I'm sure everybody is aware of this policy 2019. Earlier, only and only students who used to do abroad, MBBS abroad, they had to write this exam called as FMGE. All right. But now, whether you are studying in a med school abroad or in a government college or in a private college in India, every student will have to write this one single exam called as the next. I'm sure those who are 2017 batch onward students have written their NEET undergrad exams also. So as it was happening in the NEET undergrad exam of yours, there was a qualifying marks and there was a rank given to you. This is exactly how it will work out in the next one exam as well. A qualifying marks in next will give you a license to practice, and a rank of next one will give you a post-graduation seat. So this is the exact anticipation which has been informed by certain authorities in February last year. So make sure all of you are taking these exams very seriously. All right, and accordingly you are planning your future. Now, why are we so concerned about this license exam? Okay, because license exams are like a screening exam. Okay, and whenever there is a screening exam, okay, it is not like NEET PG where if you get a low rank still you can do something in life. No, a screening exam is an exam where if you pass you are getting a license, if you fail you do not get a license. And believe me, this is the ratio for FMGE students for last 10 years. Okay, what was the average? When 100 students write screening examination, only 20 were actually becoming doctors. 80% will have to repeat the exam, and until and unless they clear this exam, they don't become a doctor. Okay, so please understand, whenever there is a license exam involved, things change. Okay, so earlier if you would pass all your MBBS, all your exams, that will at least guarantee you to start up your own clinic or look for a job in a hospital as a medical officer. But now it will not work until and unless you pass the license examination, and these license exam play a very crucial role. Okay, so much so that 25,000 doctors who had studied abroad had returned and they are still trying to pass this license examination. So much so that in COVID, when there was acute shortage of doctors, these doctors approached government, can we practice? Government said, no, we are not interested. Why? Because you haven't passed the license exam. So the crux is that you need to take these exams very seriously. Next will replace FMG exams and needs to be given by everyone, irrespective of a government or a private college. This information is not officially published. Okay, so I would not be able to comment if a 2016 student does not clear the NEET PG in first attempt. Does he have to write the next? At this point of time, the medical council, the National Medical Commission, has not given any such clarity. So I would not want to speculate at this point of time. Okay, so whatever information is in the public domain and is correct, only that I would like to state. All right.